All right, today is May 14th, 2021. We are doing a 2 Chronicles football break hybrid, number 4. Number 3. 4's up next. So this is 2-box Chronicles hybrid number 3. All right, so I'm going to pull up our list of names. So it was 2 teams per spot. So we have the order you bought in down to 16. Copy and paste it again so everybody gets their 2 teams per spot. So we have Alfred B, Jeremy F with 2, Michael K with 4, Jacob M with 2, Daniel I, Thad B, Russell D, Michael K with 2, and Jared SG with 2. Then it starts over again. Alfred B, Jeremy F with 2, Michael K with 4, Jacob M with 2, Daniel I, Thad B, Russell D, Michael K with 2 more, and Jared SG. That's the wrong one. Cardinals down to the football team. Alright, gonna roll our dice. We only reroll snake eyes. If there are any duels, we'll random them off. I don't believe there is in Chronicles, but better safe than sorry. Alright, 2 and a 5, 7 times. No shocker there. Alright, starting with the names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final. Jacob M down to Michael K. 7 times. Jacob M down to Michael K. On the teams, Cardinals down to the football team. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final. Here's everybody's teams. Lock it in. Titans on top. Panthers on the bottom. 7 times on that one. Titans on top. Panthers on the bottom. Going to sort by name so everybody gets their teams together. Drop any trades down below. Both parties must confirm. If they do, we will switch those up. All right, we got Alfred B, Raiders, Bengals, Daniel I, Giants, Saints, Jacob M, Titans, Falcons, Lions, and Chargers. There you go, Jacob. Jared SG, Jags, Jets, Ravens, and Chiefs. Jeremy F, Bears, Bills, Dolphins, and Packers. It's a solid one, Jeremy. Michael K, Niners, Bucks, Seahawks, Browns, Steelers, Patriots, Broncos, Texans, Colts, Cardinals, Cowboys, and Panthers. Russell D, Vikings and Eagles. Nice roll. And Thad B, Rams and football team. I mean, Jeremy, it wasn't the perfect roll like your score. Still solid.
Yeah, you have them right here.
First one, the best? Yeah.
I know, Carl. That's a tough one.
You want this one? No?
Yeah, Jake, this is Chronicles 3.
Well, I'm going to buy it for Bella.
Alright.
Sky point to you.
Oh yeah, we got cards over there.
Chronicles 4 is up on our website. If it fills, we'll run it, yeah. Let me check how many we have left. Yes, Swamp State, you do. Go for this one. That was our next one, though.
What's going on?
Nothing.
CD don't want these?
I'm just checking how many we have left
That's it.
in our next one.
Oh, Chronicles 4.
Yeah.
They have
1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we got 12 left. We're versatile, Carl.
I think they're a lot more expensive here than they are when we go to the store. Okay. Alright. Your daughter is trying to get everything. Yeah. No. I know.
Alright.
I know. Well, I told her that they're a lot more expensive here than they are at the store. So like, you can't just.
But that's the bigger thing, is it?
Right.
Give it a minute. Looks like we're good on trades. Pull that off and we'll get started.
That's the big, big, big
Do
thing.
one thing.
Carl, I'd have to let you know. I did see that update. Yeah, we were on top of it for a while. Especially pre-vaccine, but we'll have to discuss that. I did see that update because I am, so I was pretty happy about it as well.
Oh, we're talking about the mask?
Yeah. Empty box.
No, I know.
Oh.
You said you wanted. Riley, don't be touching stuff. Do you have any jumbo packs for bonus?
Button jumbo packs? These are from the hobby.
Those are from the hobby. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have any jumbo boxes open at this time.
No jumbo boxes open right
No.
There we go.
now.
Man.
Yeah, as far as I know. He has packs.
You and me both, Carl. You and me both. All right, here we go. Starting with pack 1 of box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Brian Dawkins, Aaron Rodgers, Prism Black, Brandon Ayuk going to the Niners.
50.
Cole Kmet, clearly.
Well,
Jonathan Taylor, Crown Royale. Cole Kmet, red Gridiron Kings, 85 out of 199. Jacob Eason, Panini, and a Jake Fromm, Luminance.
Yeah.
Matt Ryan, Justin Jefferson, Justin Herbert, score update going to the Chargers. Clearly Chase Claypool,
No.
Joe Burrow, Crown Royale.
No.
Cam Akers, Crown Royale, 18 out of 75 going to the Rams.
Okay, then do that.
Pulling backs. Cam Akers, Gridiron Kings, and a Tyler Johnson, Panini.
So what is Bowman 2021 hobby box?
Calvin Ridley,
Looks like 300.
Dalvin Cook,
Yeah.
T. Higgins,
And then we do have the jumbo available. That's
Dynagon, Brandon Ayuk,
Mom, these are expensive on what?
Henry Ruggs III,
yeah, those ones are up there.
C.J. Henderson, Jordan Love, Luminance, and Antonio Gibson.
Can you let me go back?
Hold on.
Oh, Damon, I think we all have. We all were just waiting for that announcement. I definitely have been for a while.
Just do 60 is fine. I really should do
John Elway, DK Metcalf, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, playoff momentum, Brandon Ayuk. Is that a number? No. Jalen Hurts, Crown Royale. Legarius Sneed, Crown Royale. Henry Ruggs III, and Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Shane, this is Chronicles Hybrid. They're not guaranteed. You get a Crown Royale instead of the guaranteed autos. You can still hit autos, but they are not guaranteed.
Are they all energy?
They are half the price, though.
Okay.
Sean Alexander, Patrick Mahomes, Legacy Rookie Hollow, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. For the next year. Legacy Rookie Tua Tagovailoa going to the Dolphins. Brandon Ayuk, Crown Royale. Chase Young, Crown Royale. That burn was a left hybrid box. Jake Fromm and Tua Tagovailoa. All right, last pack of box number 1. Marshall Faulk, Roquan Smith, Curtis Martin, Jonathan Taylor Clear Vision, Patrick Queen, Jordan Love Crown Royale, Henry Ruggs III, and Darrell Williams. Shane, it's less. The hybrid is $290 for a personal, but this is a 2-box break. That's why it's roughly the same price. On to box number 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Empty box. Aaron Rodgers, Marshall Faulk, James Robinson, Prism Black going to the Jags. Clearly CeeDee Lamb. Nice one for the Cowboys. Crown Royale, Jacob Eason. Brian Edwards, a red, going to the Raiders, 195 out of 199. Yeah, so that's why it's similar cost. Jalen Johnson and Jordan Love. Carl, I don't want to guarantee you that you're on your own there, but I'm fairly confident. Justin Jefferson, Tyler Boyd, score update, Justin Jefferson, Devin Duvernay clearly, Justin Jefferson Crown Royale, nice, Justin Herbert Crown Royale red, 103 out of 199. Going to the Chargers. Just spit gibberish. Chase Young Luminance and a CeeDee Lamb Gridiron Kings.
I'm not buying them. Why is there a charger and they both like the same way?
You are 100% on your... Mike, we only hit James Morgan when you're in the break. Ever betting on that? Delvin Cook, T. Higgins, Brian Dawkins, Justin Jefferson, Dynagon,
Yeah, the energy pack that was from
KJ Hamler, Crown Royale,
that's a really
Antonio Gibson, Crown Royale, KJ Hamler, Panini, and a Chase Claypool, Luminance.
Yeah, do you have your prices on the website?
on the website, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so if there's a discrepancy between what's on our website and what's in store.
Okay. Okay.
DK Metcalf, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Matt Ryan, Jalen Hurts, playoff momentum, Jake Fromm, Crown Royale, Devin Duvernay, Crown Royale, J.K. Dobbins, and a Jalen Hurts Panini. Nice, Francis. Yeah, Damon, if you Caught our case break. We did 2 cases of Chronicles football. I know some people in here caught it. But we hit autos for every single quarterback except Burrow. Patrick Mahomes. Calvin Ridley. Some had multiples too. DeAndre Swift, Dynagon Silver. Man of many talents. Chase Claypool, Legacy Rookie. Darnell Mooney, Crown Royale, going to the Bears. J.K. Dobbins, Crown Royale to the Ravens. Chase Claypool, Panini. And a Julian Blackmon, Gridiron Kings to the Colts. All right, last pack. Money. Roquan Smith, Curtis Martin, John Elway, Clear Vision, CeeDee Lamb, DeAndre Swift, Crown Royale, T. Higgins, Crown Royale, Jerry Jeudy, Panini, and a Tua Luminance to round off our break. All right, we're going to package those up. We'll make sure to get those shipped out as soon as possible. Appreciate everybody that hopped in, and this will be uploaded later.